What's up guys, so today we'll be creating a chatbot that will allow us to get a user input and then it will respond according to the data it has. So let's just get started. So I want you to create a Python file. Let's name it chatbot.py and close this on this side, and first thing we'll import is JSON. So the JSON file will store all our queries and outputs that it should get. So let's start with load data. Okay, so that it can load the data. So def load underscore data. So it will try to open the JSON file. So we'll open the JSON file, and you don't have to worry to create your own JSON file because it will automatically create, and you don't need to worry that it will restart and create another JSON file. No, it's all already. So let's name it data.json sr. So you're gonna just be able to read it, not edit it, so it's not writable. And as file, and data equals to JSON dot load, and in the parentheses we'll pass the string file. And then with every try statement comes an except statement. So let's try it. Except file not found error. Make sure to use that not file not exist error, so that it won't. If you do that, I think it won't create a new JSON file. You have to create it manually, but never mind now. So we have data equals to, and we'll put up an empty list here, and it will return data. Okay, great. Now we have our save data, so it will able to save our input. So def save underscore data, and we'll pass the statement data here. So with open queue with open data dot JSON as writable. So the W stands for writable as far as I know. So we'll be able to edit in the JSON file through our Python code, and we'll just dump the password in there. Data comma file. So we'll dump the password there, and then we'll start to def get response question. So it will, this code basically finds out of that if the response we give it, so the input that we give it, and if the question has already been answered into our JSON file, it will just give that feedback again. So and data, and then if question in data return data and question else return none. Okay, great. So now let's start defining the main script. Okay, so let's start with def main. So this will be our main script here, and we'll start with print, and we'll just generate a default user input slow. Hello, I am a chatbot. And then data equals load data. And yeah. Great. Okay, so next we'll do is create an infinite loop while true. User underscore input equals to input, and I'm just gonna use this arrow key here so that you know, so the user can type everything after this symbol here. It just looks more graphical user face direction more better. So if user underscore input dot lower equal exit, so we'll be just able to exit our code from the inside, so we don't have to stop the code manually or something. We can just type an exit, and then it would be okay. So let's get started. So break, and then we'll have our response here. So this is another variable, just response is get response user input comma data. Okay, so if response print response, so we'll just get the response from this JSON file that will be created, and then we'll set it inside the response, and it will just print out the response that we have pre-saved. Alt. Okay, so now comes the interesting part where we'll be able to save the data. It's just about like 5 lines of code, but it's really cool. So print, we start the print property here. So print sorry, I don't know the answer to that, and then we will teach response, so what is response accordingly. So input, please teach me, and then we'll just data user underscore input teach response, and then we'll just save data, and then we'll just print thanks, now I got it. And now we'll just run the script here. So I like using if underscore name equal underscore main underscore, and it just makes the code really readable. So main, great. So let's just run this once, and here you can go. Let me just pull this up for you here. Yep, okay. So I pulled it up. So chatbot here, you can see its response. So let's say I don't know, YouTube. And then so she doesn't know the answer to that, so we will just teach it to him. YouTube is a entertainment entertaining platform where people can share their videos or watch videos of other people. Okay, so let's type in YouTube. Okay, wait. So let me just correct this in YouTube. So YouTube. Okay, great. Now we can just start it once again. So let's type in YouTube. See, you get the response that you saved earlier. You can either format it directly here, through here, like this. You just need to add a comma, and then let's say, I don't know, TigerLabs, and then TigerLabs is a coding channel for beginners, and be sure to subscribe. That also counts for you, so hit that like button and be sure to subscribe, guys. See, the chatbot is saying that to you. Okay, so let's get going, and you can just see, like, we have our script here, and then we can just say TigerLabs. And then we have TigerLabs, and then we can reset the code here, and then TigerLabs. You get it? Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope it was interesting, and I hope you could learn something new through that, and see you next time. Bye.